Let's go.
You ready, dude?
Yeah, man.
Super stoked.
First day of trails. Hopefully not break down.
It's close. Oh, dude, there's no way.
If we lay it down.
Let's just take the top off, man. Yep. Oh.
Okay.
How's the view? Is it broke up top?
Yeah, oh yeah, I think so.
All the way up here? Ready?
Yep.
Oh, I'm plugged in.
Okay.
Shoot.
It's crooked. It's fine. It's fine.
Oh, my legs.
Yo. You can get out from under it. I got the back end.
Oh, Mary. Golden. Yeah, it's great.
Aw, dude.
Excited. Ready for this?
As much as we're gonna be. Oh.
So we got the tools loaded up and the helmets. Do I have a helmet? I think my helmet's in here. We're gonna go test out these Chinese pit bikes that we built.
Yeah.
Dude, our wives are so mad at us.
Ah, man.
Right?
That's the one.
Here you are, sir.
Yeah, dude.
They're just right up there.
Little do-si-do. And away we go.
Woo, that vinyl turned out nice, dude.
Hey, bro, it's only like $6 a gas.
Really?
Yeah, cheapest gas run ever.
Top it off. Oh,
Yeah.
Super tippy.
Yeah, bro, we gotta do something about that. Nah, dude.
Nothing?
Yeah, this thing's gonna tip over and hit your bike. Need some TP?
Bro, that's crazy. What did you buy?
And the lucky lotto number is Florida gas station.
If you don't ride like that, bro, you kind of look like that guy.
That dude's got game. So this place that we're going to is about 15-20 minutes away from our house. It's kind of like the Wild West out there. It's like a couple hundred acres.
Honestly, it's really sketch.
It's a free-for-all. It's not like tracked systems. It's like, it's free, it's close. Hopefully the gate's open.
If you act like you know what you're doing, usually no one stops you. So that's kind of our game plan today.
We'll see what happens.
Picture you getting down in a picture too, like you met the view. You think it's fictional, Mr. Cool, maybe.
Yeah, dude, this is gonna work.
He's closing the gate.
Oh, he's like a gatekeeper, bro.
Always get like super nervous when we pull in the gate.
Dude, that worked so well. We just saw a huge line of cars, all these like jacked up trucks and four-wheelers and dirt bikes, and we thought, well, we could probably blend right in, so we just jumped in line with everybody else. No questions asked. We gave the guy a little wave at the gate and we're good to go, man. We're in. What are we thinking?
Do what we do, man. We blend. As long as you're not like looking around, looking at everyone.
Like you?
Yeah, I'm just like, no.
Super good, dude. Like a doofus, but
Nah, dude.
whatever.
Rock and roll, baby.
was awesome.
A little deeper than I thought, but...
Come on, bike. I gotta find neutral. It's being difficult. That one did it. Well, I didn't know it was that deep.
That's awesome, dude. The free headlamp. Check it out.
Do I need to drain the carb?
Maybe.
GoPro was going. This thing might have got it. Bro, this thing, you were long gone, and there was a tree branch in the way. So I don't even think that I got it on film, bro.
Is this thing stopped?
SD card full.
Bro, the
I
only
hope
thing
it got it.
The only thing that might have got it was this camera right here.
Bro.
Tons of fun, and we each got a sweet bail by the end of the day.
Yeah, we ate it. Both of us ate it really good.
These tires are too small for this thick of sand. It's like,
And the bikes are super light,
mean,
so they just kind of skip.
yeah.
They don't actually hug into the earth. When you hit a really soft patch, it just
goes, yeah.
it grabs your front wheel, whatever direction
You
is
got
the
both feet down like at all times, you know. It's a good thing we're like giants on these kids' bikes, but honestly, super fun even still.
That's
So.
super fun. Here, check these bikes out. Freaking caked, man. All that hard work and the painting and the building and all the fancy vinyl, new tires. Bro, this thing is shot.
It's a little deeper puddle than
Dude,
I thought.
your shirt is soaked. It used to be white, bro.
I pooped myself. Banging around a little bit, but success. You know it's a success when you can do this, and it's everywhere.
Let's see your shirt. Bro. That's wild, man. Oh, here they are. Bro, these things are trashed. Why did we do this? Dude, you can't even see my dog poop sticker.
Probably because it's...
That's better. There it is. So far, so good, man. So we were thirsty. We thought we would go get a drink on our muddy bikes and our muddy clothes. Gatorade.